The Bee and the Little Girl. One day the bee was out collecting the nectar. When she came across a little girl who was crying. "What's wrong?" asked the bee. "I am lost. I can't find the way home," said the little girl. The bee decided to help the little girl finding her home. She flew her all around the forest looking for her house. Finally, the bee found the little girl's home. The little girl was very happy and thanked the bee for helping her. Moral: we should help others whenever we get the chance. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.